So once you've been using your LifeSaver product for a while, we do recommend that you periodically clean it. This will help with the flow rate of the product and just generally to keep it in good condition. It will also help if you're going to put the product into storage for a while. It's always best practice to give it a good clean before you store the product. So now we need to disassemble the Liberty so we can clean all the individual components. So we'll start by unscrewing the base, pour out any water that's in the bottle. We recommend you take the dome valve out the top of the pump. Just get your fingers underneath and pry this up and out. Then you need to remove the ultrafiltration cartridge. Spin that out. And at this point, you need to fit the flush cap over the top. That's to keep the clean face of the filter from getting any cross-contamination. Then you need to disassemble the top. At this point, it's a good idea to remove any activated carbon discs. You can set that aside to reuse it or fit a new one if you want to. Now all these components need to go into the basin to be washed. Now you've disassembled your LifeSaver product, it's time to prepare some sterilising solution. The easiest way to do this is to run around 3 litres of water into a basin and then add your chlorine tablets. This particular brand is 1 chlorine tablet per litre of water, so I'll be adding 3 tablets. But please check your instructions on your chlorine tablets as they vary between all manufacturers. Now it's time to get the plastics in the basin and give them a good wash. Now all the components have drained and are dry, we can reassemble them back into the Liberty bottle. So if we start from the top, we can refit an activated carbon at this point and take your cap and the seal. Make sure it's reorientated in the correct direction so that it fits into the pocket, and then fit your drinking spout back into the top and screw it down. Screw it up tight so that the flow valve is in line with the Liberty logo. Remove the flush cap from the top of your filter, being careful not to touch the clean surface. Drop that back down into your bottle and spin it clockwise until it goes tight. Then refit the dome valve back into the end of your pump. Just push it down once you've aligned the spigot into the hole. Give it a good push with your thumb and make sure it's sitting down flat. Screw that back into your Liberty and it's now reassembled. We do suggest you always keep 1 centimetre of water in the Liberty to stop the filter from drying out, but you can now store your Liberty or go straight out and use it again.